Here we have an excellent condition, complete example of an Argentinian sword bayonet. Fits some type of Mauser rifle used by the Argentinian military. I'm not sure which time period. It's a real nice, beautiful looking bayonet, excellent condition, complete with leather frog. This example has got the Argentinian 1909 crest on it here. I have seen a number of surplus bayonets that I believe originated in Argentina, and in most cases this crown or this crest is generally ground off. And on the other side you have the maker, which is Weiersberg Solingen. So this is a German-made bayonet for the Argentinians. Argentinian contract bayonet, as some people call it. Real nice, excellent shape, probably never issued Argentinian Mauser bayonet.